So guys, first thing you'll be needing is a denim material. So I actually got this from an old denim trouser I never used, so I just cut this amount. So first thing I'm doing is to draw the image I want on my cloth as a design. So here I just made a lippy, I drew a lip, and I'm gonna cut it out. So this is how it turned out. Then the next step is coloring. Alright, I'm gonna use this color. So now I'm gonna try it out on a dress I never used. So I'm just gonna try it out to see how it shapes out. That okay, so I'm gonna use this on my actual clothes. So after putting color on it, all you have to do is paste it carefully on your dress like this. Press it on so that the shape comes out nicely. And then gently take it down. Simply repeat it. Going with the color again. Simply going with the color again and do same thing. So now I'm gonna let it dry for about 5 minutes, and I'll try it on so that you will see how it turned out. Alright guys, now that they are both dry, I'm gonna try it on and show you guys. So guys, here it is. This is how it turned out. And I paired it with this, to give it a formal vibe, office look. So this is it. So for this skirt, I just paired it with this top. I thought it turned out okay, and I paired it also with a pair of sneakers just to give a casual vibe, Alright guys, so that's it for this video. I hope it was helpful, and please don't forget to like, subscribe and comment so I know what you guys think, and I'll see you guys next time.